Hello and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be repairing a no-name brand Hi-Fi Bluetooth speaker, which also has RGB lights. And you turn it on, all the lights are there. This is supposed to announce when it's in Bluetooth mode, FM radio, and auxiliary, which would just say AUX. And it's not doing any noise, nothing. So we're gonna take this apart and find out what makes it tick. Maybe turn it off so don't do anything there. Look at this little face. There's the eyes and the mouth. Little backstory to this. We were having music in our workplace and we had it for about 2 weeks. And I had it on a YouTube playlist where it played Metric and the Beaches and Mono Whales. And when it got to the song Really Want to Let You Down by the Mono Whales, speaker died. It really let me down. There's the backstory to this. So we're going to try to see if we can fix it. Did I put my screwdriver there? Okay. So there could be a number of things wrong with this. Any of them could be from the amp, or just decided to kick out and die, but now the speaker don't talk. Separate that way. There's a screw. Two screws. Two. Oh, I didn't unscrew the others enough. That's why they're still in there. Three and three. Ding that. Okay, whatever, it stays in there. Four. Progress. I guess it can stay there. I'm gonna unscrew the tops of this. And the screw's not that magnetic. Oop. I have to eat. Oh, okay, I guess that's it. Oh, I turned it on. Oops. Okay, what makes you talk? LED. Do we need the LED? No, we don't. Oh, smart. Power don't work now. Alright, let's see. That was Bluetooth. I think that's all we really want. Oh, maybe this is the thing that exploded. Oh no, that's the infrared thing. Why do we have an infrared? No remote. Where did this guy get this thing? Okay, so we know it's working without the LED. It still don't want to talk. Almost, oops. Wants to come out one way. Yeah, a little crazy glue for that. Oh, come on. Give it up, you monster. I can just disconnect this. I wish all these components from the computer were this simple. You just disconnect and boom. Oh no, this one doesn't have that feature. Oh no, there it is. Never mind. Come. Does not want to give it up. Mm. There's no other screws in here that could be holding this down. Okay, never mind. Oh, okay, I see them now. They're further. Why this swine won't give it up. Dingbat. Found my missing screw. Don't. Okay, now we're here for the money shot. I don't have anything to test this on. Tell me this is even working. Well, this is the battery. This is the speaker. Let's see. Don't smell anything unusual. A little signal strength on this thing. So here's my multimeter. We put the black in the black and the red in the red. There's a probe, and we can test it to see if it works. This is the most finicky of testers. Okay, so you see it's working. We're gonna go red and black. So we can see that's getting signal. And this is right. That's speaker. Alright. So speaker there. Okay, so that works. I guess that's the power, so obviously that works. I'm gonna try to zoom in on this with my other phone. Curiosity. Could be that tiny, tiny black one. With this device, with this AV cable, and we're gonna plug it in here. Never mind that it has these. We're only gonna need 2 out of the 3. We're gonna hook up alligator clips to this, and where did my other one go? There it is. Okay, now we're gonna hook this up to this. Mhm. Now with this hooked up, we're gonna hook it up to my cheapo pair of headphones. And we're gonna see how, if this works, then I know it's not the cable. So you can barely hear that, but it is working. Now, so from the headphones it works. Now we're gonna test it in this. And nothing. Now that could just be because it's a high power speaker. Now, we're gonna try something slightly different. We're gonna try one of these and see if it works the same way. So you can barely hear that, but it is working. Okay. Now what we're gonna do is we're going to line in this. Seems looser than it should be. We're gonna plug the power in. That was it. Oh! Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna try get this cover off. Now it doesn't want to come off. Now that I have it out. Close enough. You just bend the pin slightly at an angle and then work from there. Alright. Come on, get on there. Get on there. Okay, now we're gonna put it in auxiliary. Let's see if I can hear it through my headphones. Just play. And you can hear that it is working. So it's not the device, it's the speaker. So that means the speaker's dead somewhere. And that would be another story. But we know it's not the device itself. And we can stop this advertisement. We can disconnect our fancy stuff. Yeah. So we know our main problem isn't this, it's this. Which will mean look at that, and I thought it was a resistor. Now we have to go through the whole untightening of the screws. So I'm gonna have to move that out of my way. Oh, a whole hour and something into this thing. Mm. Alright. Really want to let you down. That's what just killed this speaker. Good song. Lived up to its name. You can't tell nothing about this. Ah. Hmm. Let's see now that we got this out. Multimeter, not multimetering. Well, okay, that worked, but not through the speaker. We're gonna pull out this bad boy right here from Value Village. Let's see if I can make this baby sing. Oh, that's a multimeter cable. That ain't what I want. And my clippies. Clippy, clippy, clippy. And you can hear it through the speaker. So there you have it. Our problem is not El Digital. Our problem is El Spico. And we'll see if we can Frankenstein the speakers together and go from there. Thank you very much.